Welcome to our dream community where sustainability meets harmony. Today, we'll take you on a journey to the steps we've taken to create a vibrant, eco-friendly town that we're proud to call home. And here are the 20 steps of making a community. It all began with finding the perfect location, abundant in clean water, trees, and natural resources. We wanted a place where nature could strive alongside our community. Next, we envisioned our town, planning parks, walking paths, and homes close to essential amenities. We aim to create a place that promotes a healthy lifestyle and fosters community spirit. Next is to ensure fairness and eco-friendliness. We develop our own set of rules. These guidelines help us protect our environment and ensure a sustainable future for generations to come. Money was needed to kickstart our sustainable initiatives. We invested in solar panels, windmills, and other green technologies to power our homes with renewable energy. Harnessing the power of nature, we installed solar panels, windmills, and biogas systems to light up our lives sustainably. These eco-friendly options reduce our carbon footprint and reliance on non-renewable resources. Water renewable is the key. We collect rainwater, reuse water from sinks and showers, and use water wisely to ensure every drop counts. Minimizing waste is a priority. We reduce, reuse, recycle, and compost to benefit our planet and create a cleaner, greener community. Building with local materials and smart designs, we've created cozy, sustainable homes that save energy and water, making our community more environmentally friendly. Encouraging gardens and vertical farming, we grow healthy food locally, reducing our carbon footprint and promoting self-sustainability. We've built safe walking and biking paths, and even a community shuttle to encourage eco-friendly modes of transportation and reduce reliance on cars. Education is important to us. We've built schools and learning spaces for everyone to access quality education, nurturing a knowledgeable community. Health is wealth. We have a clinic accessible to all, ensuring everyone stays healthy and happy. Safety is a paramount. We've established a community watch program to keep our streets safe day and night. A clean community is a happy community. We've set up a system of regular waste collection and proper disposal to maintain cleanliness. Staying connected is essential. We provide internet access to stay in touch with loved ones and the world around us. Food scraps and yard waste are turned into amazing soil for our gardens. Our composting facilities helps us reduce waste and create something useful. We offer workshops to teach sustainable skills, empowering our community to live more eco-consciously. Local businesses are the backbone of our community. We encourage shopping locally to reduce our carbon footprint and support our neighbors. Community events bring us together, building friendships and creating a vibrant, united community. And last but not the least, we celebrate and preserve our unique cultures, creating a truly inclusive community that honors its past while embracing the future. Here is our blueprint for our community. And here is my brief overview of my community. And that is all. Thank you.